Well, hello there, fellow nail enthusiasts. I'm Kima. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be going over 10 classy and gorgeous fall nail design trends for the ladies who love to keep their nails looking beautiful and classy all year round. Let's get into these fall design trends. The first trend I want to get into are your negative space French nails. I find it to be so beautiful and classy. The cool thing about negative space French nails is that you get to choose the color that you want. And if you haven't seen my fall nail color trends video, definitely check that out after. I went over 10 color trends and you can pull from those colors to create these designs. I absolutely love the negative space French design. It's like a play around with your typical everyday French nails. So you might wear your typical French design, but you want to do something different and add an elevated, classy feel to it. And this is a great way to do it by doing the negative space French design. Now here's an example of a negative space French design. This one is in white. Again, pick whatever color you want. I am personally thinking about navy blue, one of fall color trends, or burgundy for something like this on my nails. I really love it. It is so pretty. I love how clean it is, yet giving you a design that won't take away from your outfits, won't take away from your overall look, but can really enhance your look in a very classy way. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Think about the colors. This is super simple. Your typical clear nail polish, and you can add whatever color. You can do this yourself at home, or you can ask your manicurist to really bring this design to life for you. And if you want to keep the white going and not add color, that's definitely okay too. And I recommend the Essie Blanc as a beautiful white that you can use to recreate this design. And I'll link these nail polishes and press-on options in the description down below. The next fall nail trend design that is so beautiful are your orange aura nails. Now, aura nails are huge nail trends, and I find them to be classy, especially if you pick the color that works particularly for you. Orange is so great during the fall season. Think about like fall sunset, that type of orange. You know, that beautiful fall sunset that's so golden orange, so rich and lustrous, so rich and luxurious. That is what you're looking for in your orange aura nails this fall. Here's an example of an orange aura nails. This is so pretty. So you might like your orange nails or bright oranges or in this category of nail color. And orange is also one of fall 2024 nail color trends, but having fun with it and doing an aura nail will be so beautiful. The hack here is to paint your nails with a mustard yellow nail polish. Try OPI Marigold in color. I will link it in the description down below. And you're going to paint it with that color. And then what you're going to do is use an orange eyeshadow from any eyeshadow palette that you have while it's kind of damp to just like tap it through with a sponge to create that aura look in the middle. Finish it off with a glossy seal, and there you go. You've got the orange aura nails. Perfect for the fall. Moving on, we have disco nail designs, and you can think about disco in terms of your silvers, your rich silvers, or you can really be literal and really think about a disco ball. So that disco ball look and feel on your nails. You can do all nails, or you could do alternating nails or just one nail. Think about how you would prefer that to look on your fingers. If you are shy with designs, I would recommend just doing like a disco ball ring finger. It would look so gorgeous and beautiful. And you can consider also not necessarily doing the full-on disco ball effect, but you can do like your silvers, like fun, shiny, sparkly silver. So think disco. It doesn't have to be limited to silver, but because silver is more the color trend, I would prefer to go with the silver. If you are into the colors and you love the colors and feel, definitely go with your colorful disco, whatever tickles your fancy. It could be red, it could be burgundy. Just think about what you prefer, but relating that to the disco theme. Here's an example of the full-on disco vibe nail design. I love this. I think it looks so beautiful. I love the iridescent vibe of the disco ball on her nails. This, I think you can achieve like by doing like a silver nail polish base, plenty silver nail polish options out there. And then you can do like little party confetti on the nails and then finish that off with like a glossy seal. I think that will look gorgeous. You can do it yourself at home. So what you can do is also try this Glamnetic press-on nails. I love all the sparkly silver feel to it. It's still giving disco, it's giving glam, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I will link those things in the description down below under each nail trend if you're looking to shop those pieces. Or you can like take like a photo like this, bring it to your nail technician and ask for this vibe or design. I think it will just look so great, especially with like all the festivities of the fall. We have like the Thanksgiving, we have the different celebrations, we have the early holiday parties, we have the weddings, so many things happening throughout fall, and you want to add like a little fun spunk party vibe to the nails. I think this disco nail trend would look really gorgeous and beautiful and still keep you classy and elevate your overall. All right, moving on, we have Matte Shiny French Combo. So you're gonna do your French nails, but you're gonna play around with two different textured nail polish, a matte nail polish and a shiny nail polish. I would say preferably to do the shiny on the tip and the matte on the nail bed. You can switch it if you want, but it really shows a little bit more vibrant when you do it that way. Now, here's an example. In this example, I specifically pulled a burgundy example because burgundy nails, red nails, cherry nails, the color itself is such a huge fall color trend this fall. And so I wanted to bring that about in your nails. And this is such a great example. Love that she has the matte burgundy bed and then the tips are glossy, shiny tips. Same burgundy format. This is a great way to elevate again your typical usual basic French, just like you would with the negative space French. This now is just a mixture and a combo of the matte and glossy nails. I think this is a great way to elevate that overall look of your nails, change up your look a little bit, but still remaining true to your classy nails. So to achieve this look, I recommend Zoya Iris Matte Velvet as the bed, and then for the tips, you can try OPI Como Se Llama. I will link these in the description down below, and I will also be linking press-on nails for those who want that option. Next up, we have Abstract Gold French tips. Again, yes. So the Abstract Gold French tips are just effortlessly gorgeous. They are so beautiful and they really make your nails look like its own outfit. Does that make sense? It's like your nails are dressed, nicely dressed. I think it is so beautiful. It's not your typical like just like your French gold. When I say abstract, I'm talking about like abstract visual art like nail design. Here are a couple examples. We've got this really beautiful, really rich, almost looking like the gold is melting. It's melting off her nails. It is so pretty. I think this was beautifully done, nice, and such a great inspiration for the abstract gold. The other one, this one is more a little bit rose gold, but I want you to think you can absolutely do rose gold, but I want you to think of the design itself, how she has the quintessential white French with a little bit of like a stone on there. And then she has like the gold, abstract gold around it. This is rose gold. It still works. It doesn't have to be yellow gold. Play around with your nails. Have fun with it. We're not going to take it too serious. What we are going to do is keep it classy and gorgeous. And another example, this nails, these are abstract gold going around the entire rim of the nails. Love it, love it, love it. So many different inspiration and options. And for each of these, if there isn't anything that you found that tickle your fancy in this video, absolutely go to Pinterest and type in whatever the trend is. See lots of examples come up. Screenshot it, save it on your phone when you're gonna do your nails, or if you want to buy press-ons, or if you're taking it to your nail tech, then you have the example right there to share and replicate the look for an overall classy and gorgeous fall nail design. Moving on, the next nail design trend is Rose Quartz nails. This I gotta do. This I have to try. It is so classy, but add a nice elevation and fun spunk to the nails. Love, love, love. Take for example this Rose Quartz design nails. Now her nail bed is all beautiful rose quartz. I really love it. I think it's so pretty. It's so elegant and it looks like a rose quartz. Now this I would have to take this photo to my nail tech and be like, let's do this, or I could do press-ons. You could do press-ons too. I'll find press-on examples for everything. Link them in the description down below. I'll find the nail polish. This is gorgeous. I also love that she has the gold dipping on the tip of her nails. You don't have to. You can keep this clean, completely clean with the rose quartz, or you can make it even fun, add in like this gold or silver or another color like a slight burgundy or white would also look good at the tips. Gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful, and still very classy nail design trend for this fall. Moving on, we have black French tips as a nail design. Of course, French tips are just a classy girl uniform, but adding these variations of colors, style, and vibe to the French tips really elevate that look. Now, black French tips, it's not nothing new, but it is trending this fall, and it is trending especially for the people who like their dark nails, their black nails. We're moving out of fall into winter soon, and having like rich, gorgeous, beautiful black nails with designs, I think it's just great. Also, for the people who always love like their whites, just their white French, this is a great way to kind of like try something new because you're still in that space of almost like a neutral. Black is almost like a neutral, so is white, and you can try like a black French nail design. However, I want to push this a little bit forward with the black French nails and invite you to be a little bit more fun and spunky, yet still remaining classy with that black French. Take, for example, this photo. Love, love, love. You can take the inspiration from this photo with her black French tips by doing that middle finger. You notice that is the negative space French. Gorgeous. Or you can also do those little dots down the nails with the French. Or you can just not do the dots and just do the negative French, but add something, one finger, two fingers, to really give it like a fun look. It's the fall season. This is a time we come alive trying these nail designs. It's fun. The air is getting crisper. We're having fun outside with friends and family. We're seeing everyone. Mind you, when the winter comes, we're all going to be inside the house just cuddling up, cozying down. No, I'm not coming out to see you. I'm not leaving the house. It's cold. It's chilly. Fall is the time to have all the fun, so have fun with your nails too, where you can wear it and enjoy it even more. So loving this inspiration for the black French, and I would like to do something like this too. Oh my gosh, I wish I could do my nails every week. So I would love to do something like this too. So consider this an option. Pick, remove, play around with it, whatever tickles your fancy. You can definitely try the black OPI, black onyx. Love that. I particularly love OPI, especially for gel. I mostly wear gel. I actually did like a little espresso vibe on my last nail polish for fall, and I'm changing it out, and I might do a navy. If you haven't seen that fall nail color trend, navy, I've just been like just waiting for the perfect time to do navy, and I think it's time for my navy. However, try the black onyx OPI. I love OPI. Such great nail polish. They last, they wear well, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Try that for the black French tip. Continuing on, we have the burgundy nail designs. Now this is where you get to have and enjoy your free will, but incorporated as much burgundy as possible in your nail design. Maybe you're particular to a certain nail design. I know a couple nail design that I usually get and play around with, and this is the time to be like, but with the design I want burgundy color, simply because burgundy is one of fall top color trends. I've mentioned that before, and it's also in my fall nail color trends video. It's also a color trend for fashion, accessories, everything across the board. It is a classy and timeless color, so you're gonna look gorgeous and beautiful. I have a couple burgundy nail design vibe examples for you here. I'm floating them on screen so that you can see many gorgeous designs. This one has a bow detail on it with the burgundy nails. This one has gold mixed throughout, really gorgeous. She has hers slanted with like little gold details on it. Love the also slight negative French mix on this one that she has with the burgundy nails. Also this gorgeous one with the reversed French. Absolutely love these. You can't go wrong with adding different burgundy nail designs to your nails, especially if you're particular to a certain design. You can also do just your burgundy French too, and it will still look beautiful and classy. Stick with me here. We are almost through to the end of the video. The next one we have are your seasonal ombres, seasonal ombre designs. Lots of people really love their ombre nails. I do love mine too, but I've always gone for the same ombre vibe. But this has inspired me to really go through different colors of ombres. Think about your seasonal fall colors. Think about your browns, your oranges, your greens. Greens is also a top color trend. Your burgundies that we just mentioned, your earthy fall colors, your oranges. Think about those those and think about infusing that as an ombre design on your nails. Here's a couple examples that I'm popping on screen here for you. We have a brown ombre, sheer details, really beautiful. It's so classy. We have another brown ombre here, really earthy, really fally, but richer brown and a lighter brown at the tips. So beautiful. Here goes an orange ombre, really, really pretty and classy. Orange is also a top color nail trend for fall. Here's another orange feel. This is a lighter version that you could try if you don't want bright oranges. And we have the greens, green ombre, super pretty, just delicious. Mwah. And I also wanted to include this navy ombre simply because navy is a fall top color nail trend. If you don't want to do full navy, you can also do navy ombre. I will also link quite a few seasonal press-on nails in the description down below. Once you go to the description, just go to each trend and I will link the nail polishes and press-ons easily for you to shop. So definitely try the seasonal ombre and let me know how you like it. And finally, we have
Tortoise Jelly Nails,
a nail design trend this fall. I really love it. It's anything in that print, like your sunglasses, you know, accessories in that, is such a timeless classic print or material or fabric or design. It's such a beautiful classic design, and to see it on nails, I think it translates really well into classy nails. And if you are into classy fashion and elevated lifestyle, welcome to my channel. I am Kima. I would love to have you here, so do please subscribe to my channel. Now, here's an example I wanted to share with you. In this photo, she didn't actually do all 10 nails. You can do all 10. I think it would still look really beautiful. Or you can do like she did here, just doing these 2 fingers. She might have the thumb too, I'm not sure. And then color in the rest by picking a color from the print or design. Here she has that rich espresso brown. You can also do black or a lighter brown to really kind of like mix and play around with the design trend. Love, love this. It's so pretty. And if you want to achieve this look without doing like nail polish, I highly recommend these OPI press-ons. I will also link them in the description down below. Really beautiful. You can ask your nail tech to do this for you. You can try doing it at home, and you can also do the press-ons at home. Okay everyone, that's it. Fall 2024 nail design trends. These are the top ones. These are the classy ones. There's quite a few nail design trends out there, but I picked the classiest ones for you to try or for you to replicate, for you to enhance your nails this fall, that you're still gonna look beautiful and gorgeous. It won't take away from your outfit, and you will look just cohesive, well put together, and fabulous. Let me know which of these nail trends you plan to try. If you're wearing or have worn any of these before, I would absolutely love to know. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, and don't forget to check out my fall 2024 nail color only trends video next to get an idea of the color trends that you can use to infuse in the design trends. Thank you guys for being here again. See you in the next video. Bye.